Hello, my name is Isabella Mester. Today I'll be going over question 5 and question 6 of Computer Science 110 Quiz 8. So first for question 5, I start off by defining the table function, and then I have the docstring, which is going to print out the values evenly spaced. And then I have my step size using function from question 3 for the step size for x step. And then I can go into my for loop range statement and set x, and then print out from x0 to x1. So I am going to uncomment this region and run it and save it. And then we get our table of values. So then for question 6, I'm going to comment this back out. For question 6, I define the table, or I do the same thing essentially, but instead of using a for loop, we use a while loop instead. So I define the table _1 for the second function, and then I use the same step size and helper function from question 3, and then I go in with a while loop and print out the values from x0 to x1. And then I update my I variable. So then we can uncomment this, and print or run the module with our values. And we get the same thing, but instead we used a while loop. Alright, that's all for this video. Thank you.